guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we're going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday series where we will be unboxing packages from the previous week. As always, I'm so excited to share these new releases with you guys. So really quick before we do get started, if you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you are notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So mail hauls every single Monday, like we're doing today. And then I also post on Wednesday and Friday. So yeah, make sure you also hit that bell notification so you're notified as soon as the videos go live. But we got a lot to cover, so let's go ahead and dive in. Oh, and really quick, I do want to say, if you have not already entered, I have some massive back to school giveaways going on. So I'll leave a link down below, but make sure you guys enter because there's some really fun things in those giveaways. Okay, so the very first package that came actually came from Becca Cosmetics, and this is their Endless Summer Glow collection with Chrissy Teigen. I was so excited when this showed up, and look how neat the packaging is. So you basically just open it up, and it looks like this, and this is the entire collection. It has 3 different lip products. We have a glow body oil, and then we also have a highlight and bronzer, I believe. So let's go over all of them. They did send over this cute little informational card, and the first thing we have is the Endless Bronze and Glow. It retails for $38. I love how many different highlights and bronzers and different things that Becca has come out with this year. You have the top portion, which is a really nice highlight. You have a almost like blushy highlight, and then the bottom you have a bronzer. So I'm really excited to swatch these. I kind of wish they would have done these individually because sometimes I feel like it's hard to get in there with a brush and not get other stuff on your brush, like mixing it in. But these look so pretty, so I don't even mind it. But that bronzer shade, I wish that would come all by itself. Oh, look how pretty these are. Wow. I really have been loving me some Becca Cosmetics here lately. They have been coming out with a lot of neat stuff lately. Okay, so as you can see, both highlights, super pretty, super blinding. I feel like I should have picked up a little bit more bronzer, but it's kind of like a medium type skin tone shade. It even could be used a little bit on a darker skin tone. I think if you're super fair, it's not a bronzer that I feel like would look orangey on you. So overall, this looks really nice. Then we have the 3 lip products. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, so the first one we have is called Beech Nectar. It is a neutral berry shade infused with a hint of light catching pearl. And let's just swatch this. Ooh, it's like a almost like purpley shade. See that? Okay. I'm going to tilt the camera down just a little bit. I feel like it's too high. Much better. Okay, so yeah, there is the first shade. The next shade we have is called Beach Bum, and this is like a really pretty nude shade, and it says it's supposed to be a warm sandy pink. Is what the description says. Oh, and this is a lot more like, yes, it's a gloss, but it is a very opaque. I just kind of want to put some of this stuff on. Let's try this on the lips. Definitely has that like minty like taste, kind of like it's not like I'm tasting the lipstick. Like I can like taste the cooliness of the mint. I don't know how to explain it. There's that one again. That's Beach Bum. And then the very last one is Malibu Soleil, and it is described as a mauve rose. Another one that's very opaque. Let's try that one on too. I'm in the trying on mood today. So again, here is Malibu Soleil. Very comfortable in the lips too. And then here all 3 swatched up close and personal. Really pretty shades though. Very last thing we have is the Glow Body Oil. It retails for $42 and it says, looks, feels, and smells like the afternoon hitting your skin. Hopefully you guys can see, but this is like very glittery. I've never used a body oil before. Oh, okay. So it's just like, it's honestly a little bit hard. Okay, you just got to hit it on your hand. Okay, so here's kind of what that looks like. Let's take my hand and arm, for example. Oh, it smells really good. So I just put a little teeny tiny bit on, but you can definitely see the sparkles on me. You probably can't see them on the camera, but they're definitely there. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. I've never used anything like this. I know Tom Ford makes one, and this one honestly kind of reminds me a little bit of the Tom Ford one. So we shall see. I'm going to wipe it off my arm because I don't want my arm to be super oily while I'm doing the rest of this. So thank you so much to Becca for that package. Next package we have actually came from Too Faced, and they have come out with melted metallic lipsticks. Here's what the little card looks like. And it says, drench your lips in a rich brush with melted metallic liquefied lipsticks. 24-hour long wear, velvety matte formula, 14 dimensional shades, including one magic metal transformer to transform your favorite shade into a mystical holographic version of itself. So let's take these out and see what all the colors look like. They look like there's probably a pretty wide range of shades. Okay, I feel like this one's probably going to be my favorite. It's called Breakup Makeup. Making sure I'm not missing anything. Okay, I'm just going to hold these up. I'm not going to show all of them like on my lips or anything, but this one right here is called Breakup Makeup. We have the Real Teal, and then we have Faking It. Next three that we have are I Want to Rock With You, Give It To Me, and Scream My Name. Then we have Sugar Kisses, which to me looks like it's going to be almost like a light pinky shade. Caffeine Queen, and You Better Work. Then we have Bitch I'm Too-Faced, Pillow Talk, and I Dare You. And then we have Our Lips Are Sealed. Ooh, I kind of want to try that one. Our Lips Are Sealed. And then we have Magical Metal Transformer. So let's try these two out and just see what they're about. So this one is called Our Lips Are Sealed. I feel like there's going to be a lot of lip products today. Ooh, what do all these look like? Because to me, they don't look like crazy metallic, like what I'm used to metallic, if that makes sense. Y'all, I think I'm about to be freaking obsessed with these. I think we're going to have to do a full video on this. Because I'm used to like the metallic ones and I'm like, not wearable. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking hype about these. Okay. Yeah, let's definitely do a full video. I'm going to try this on anyways just because I want to show them to you guys. So this is Our Lips Are Sealed. Definitely not what I'm used to when I think of metallic. Like to me, it's not even like they're crazy metallic. I mean, this is really, really pretty. Again, look up close. It's not like anything crazy like what I'm used to seeing when I think of metallic. I'm digging this. Okay, let's try this one again. Thumbs up, not thumbs up. Thumbs up this video anyways, but let me know down below if y'all do want a full swatch video because these are very different, a lot different than I thought they were going to be. It is the metallic transformer. This looks like unicorn tears, literally. Oh my gosh, this is going to be crazy. All right, here we go. This is so crazy looking. Hopefully you can see. So there's that. Thank you so much, Too Faced, for that package. I'm literally so excited to try these out more because, again, they aren't like your average metallic type lipstick. They're actually very wearable. I probably wouldn't wear the topper on top of it, but very wearable. Okay, we're just going to keep rocking this because there might be more lipsticks coming up, so we're just going to keep rocking this. So next package is actually also in collaboration with Becca, and this is Glam Glow and Becca Cosmetics. Let's open this up. Ooh. So it says, get your glow on. The two glow experts have come together to get the ultimate collaboration with the best-selling Gravity Mud in pink and Becca's best-selling Skin Perfector in Rose Glow together in one kit. I think this is actually a Nordstrom. I don't know if it's a Nordstrom exclusive. It doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure I saw this on Nordstrom. But I will try to leave it linked down below. So here's what the packaging looks like. And let's open this up. So the first thing you get is your little mini baby. Oh, I wish that their packaging was always like this. So cute. And rose gold. Gorgeous. And let me wrap this back up. And then the next thing we have is a little mini baby of the Glam Glow. Oh my gosh, I love this. I wish that they would do this in pink more often, Glam Glow and Becca. Oh my gosh, yes. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, smells like pina colada. I love it. Okay, I definitely want to do a face mask when I go to bed. I mean, I love the Glam Glow one so much. So thank you so much to Glam Glow for that package. These lips are starting to do that thing where it's like they're getting stuck. All right, next package we have is from Poke PR. I'm literally gonna have to take this off. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, Beauty Bio Rolling in Love, introducing the new Rose Quartz Roller. It says it's launching July 18th, which means it'll be out when this video goes live. It says Rose Quartz is known for its healing and age-defying abilities. Our hand-selected Rose Quartz Roller. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. So let's see. First thing we have looks like a little present. I love stuff that's wrapped. All right, let's see what we have. Okay, so first they sent over basically like a rose quartz type lollipop. Oh my gosh, so freaking cute. And then next we have the actual product, which is, oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit more reading on this because I don't know a lot about rollers. I don't know if you use them in the morning or at night, or if you use them with serum. Oh, I think it actually, oh, you can use it anywhere. Okay, it says for the inner glow getter goddess. So it says it helps reduce surface inflammation and facial puffiness, promotes drainage, helps tighten and reduce the appearance of pores, works to improve skin texture and tone. Cooling sensation is calming upon application for the midday stress relief. Minimizes the appearance of dark circles. So I think you're just supposed to like, oh my gosh, that does feel really good. Oh my gosh, it feels like it has been like in the freezer all day. Like it feels wet. Okay. It says it can be used through the day as desired. Use after tropical skincare application to maximize the benefits. Store in the bag provided for on-the-go use. Oh yeah, it has a little bag. Oh, this is so freaking cute. Look. Oh my gosh. I guess this is supposed to be for under the eyes. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this because it feels so freaking good on your skin. It says the rose quartz roller glided over targeted areas, can be used on face, eye, neck, and body. To clean the roller, wipe gently with a damp cloth and towel to dry after each use. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is really cool too. It says keep your stone close to you through the day to release stress and negativity energy from your heart to promote positive home and work. Each stone's hand selected. This is really cool. And you can use it on your body too. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. I cannot even describe how good this feels. I mean, like I see people using it and I don't know. I just have never used one before, but I am like obsessed. Like I want to stop this video and just do this to my whole body. It feels so good. You guys, honestly, you need to try this. I'll leave a link down below. Thank you so much to Beauty Bio and Poke PR. I don't even want to put it in the bag because I want to use it after I take off my makeup. I'm so excited about this. Thank y'all so much. I am freaking stoked. And it's also so beautiful. It's a lot prettier than the ones that I've saw other people use. No shade, just saying, it's really pretty. Okay, next thing we have, I was so excited and I had to go ahead and open it because I'm a child and I just get really excited. Lancome sent over the cutest package. They sent it over with them and Octoly. I am just so excited. So the first thing that they sent over, which is so freaking cute, is this little backpack. So it's a little like neon pink see-through backpack. And I swear to y'all, I feel like this is like a thing now. I saw, who was it? Luster Lux, Katie, Desi, whatever. I saw Katie wear just like a clear backpack and I remember everybody saying how much they loved it. This is so cute and I love neon. I don't know. I was like screaming to the top of my lungs when I got this. They also sent over this cute little like puffy pin. That kind of reminds me of like Clueless. I don't know. I love that movie. Okay, and then the other thing they sent over are these super cute sunglasses. They're like almost like an aviator style rose gold sunglasses from ASOS. And then they sent over a ton of Juicy Tubes. Now I'm taking off my lipstick again so we can try some of these out. So Juicy Tubes, let me look up the actual description of them. I feel like I remember using these a long time ago, like whenever I was a kid, and I loved them so much. Okay, yes, that's exactly what I thought they were. Okay, so it's an ultra shiny gloss that sweeps on a sheer sexy wash of color in a variety of shades and flavors. So each one I think actually has a different flavor. So let's see which one we want to try out. Okay, so the first one is called Magic Spell. Ooh, so this is like a really pretty, like bright, almost corally shade. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I used to love these, you guys. I used to like carry them in my purse all the time because they're such a easy fit because they're so small. It's almost smells and tastes like an orange, but it just gives you that super glossy look. I love these. It's been so long since I've wore them and it smells so good. Like I can just smell it right now. So there's that one. Let's try on one more. And I don't know if I had mentioned this, but Octoly actually sent this as well. Okay, so this one is called Tickled Pink. It smells so good, you guys. And I love applicators that are like this with like the squeeze tube when it comes to a lip gloss, because I feel like, one, it's easier to actually get all the product out whenever it's done, but also you don't have to like keep dipping back into something. You can just rub this all over your lips. Oh, smells so good. So again, that one is Tickled Pink. Thank you so much again for that package. Okay, very last package. This actually came from Covergirl and it says open by July 29th, which actually is today when I'm filming this video. So they sent over a crazy amount of lipstick. So it says, Covergirl, I am what I make up. Hopefully you guys can see this. What is my hair doing? Okay. So it says, in honor of National Lipstick Day, the new Covergirl Exhibitionist lipstick collection has 48 shades to clap back to any shade that you have been thrown for your lipstick choices. Available in cream, metallic, and demi-matte finishes, this collection will have you rethink your comfort zone. Shimmery blue before noon, we've got you covered. Deeper hot pink for the gym, or try just saying. The highly pigmented formula is infused with shea butter for a long-lasting color and design to break all the rules. Plus, the new CoverGirl liners are the perfect partner in crime to keep it exactly where you want it. We can't wait to see the looks you come up with. They have been on it. So, let's see here. This looks like a shade I would probably like. The only thing I hate about drugstores sometimes is like the packaging, because you have to like tear it in order to open it, if that makes sense. Yes. Ooh. Beautiful. Okay. Well, wasn't going to try any more lipsticks on, but I guess this is the week of lipsticks. This looks like a really pretty shade. It's very nude. Is this metallic? No, it says it's a cream. It definitely has like a shine to it though. But really, really pretty shade. This one is called Cream. No, this one is called Romance Mauve. I'm crazy. But yeah, so many different shades. You have almost even like a white shade. That shade right there definitely looks white. It's called Yin Yang. That would be really pretty, I guess, to kind of mix in stuff. You have metals, more creams. Definitely a lot of pinks in here. Hopefully, let's see if I can like pull it down so you can see. Ooh, I don't want to like tip it over. So yeah, I know my friend Emily, her name is Emily ET, I think, on YouTube. I know that she just posted a full lip swatch video today on all these lipsticks. So if you guys are interested, I'll try to leave her link down below to that video if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, that is going to be it for this week's Mail Haul Monday. Thank you again to CoverGirl for this awesome package and all the other amazing brands that send stuff over. I'm always and forever grateful. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to thumbs up this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.